morning students, welcome back to my class. We all know that air and water are two important natural resources which are required for the existence of our life on earth. Air is present everywhere. It has got no color, no taste and no smell. Today in our class we will study about the air, the properties of air, the layers of atmosphere and also the composition of air. So let's begin. Atmosphere. The blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. It is held around the earth by the gravitational force of the earth. Now we will study the composition of air. Air is a mixture of gases. It contains many gases which are essential for the survival of plants and animals. Air contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and less than 1% of argon, carbon dioxide and other gases. It also contains water vapor, smoke and dust particles. Now we will see the uses of nitrogen. Living organisms do not use nitrogen directly from the air. Plants get atmospheric nitrogen with the help of bacteria present in their roots or soil. Animals get nitrogen from these plants. Nitrogen does not support burning, but it helps in reducing the rate of burning. Now, uses of oxygen. Oxygen is the most important gas required by all living things for breathing. It helps in burning also. In the other gases, it includes carbon dioxide, argon, water vapor, smoke, etc. Carbon dioxide is a gas which is essential for green plants to carry out photosynthesis. It also helps in keeping our atmosphere warm. Other gases. Traces of some other gases are also present in the air, which include helium, neon, argon, krypton and hydrogen. Argon is used to produce the colorful glow in bulbs and fluorescent tubes. Neon is used in electric bulbs and glow signs. Helium is filled in weather balloons. About water vapor, the amount of water vapor present in air is called humidity. Air becomes humid when there are more water vapor in it. Humidity is low when the air is dry. High humidity makes us feel uncomfortable, so we sweat, and when we sweat, it does not evaporate easily. One more important use of nitrogen is that nitrogen is also used in making fertilizers, and it is also used to keep the packaged foods fresh. Liquid nitrogen is very cold. It is used in laboratories, blood banks and food storage units to keep the items frozen. Now we will learn the properties of air. These are the three basic properties of air. Air occupies space, air has weight and air exerts pressure. First we will see air has weight. We will see that air has weight by doing an interesting activity. We will take two identical balloons. We will blow air into two identical balloons. Tie these balloons at the two ends of a wooden stick. Hang the stick to a fixed support by tying another piece of thread in its center. Now prick one of the balloons. As the air escapes, the stick tilts towards the side which has the inflated balloon. This shows that air has weight. Now, second property, air occupies space. Air fills up all kinds of spaces which can be explained by an activity. Take a tub full of water and a transparent empty glass and turn it upside down and put it inside the tub containing water. Now tilt the glass slightly and press it. We will see that water does not enter the bottle when it is pushed in an inverted position, as there were no space for air to escape. When the bottle was tilted, the air was able to come out in the form of bubbles. This allows the water to fill up the empty space that the air has occupied, and this shows that air occupies space. Last property of air exerts pressure. We have just learned that air occupies space and air has weight. Anything which has weight also exerts pressure. Thus, air also exerts pressure. Air exerts pressure in all directions, which can be understood by the following activity. Take a glass tumbler and fill it with water up to the brim. Ensure that there are no air bubbles in the water. Cover the mouth of the glass with a stiff cardboard. Press the cardboard with one hand and turn the glass upside down. Quickly remove your hand gently from the cardboard. We will observe that the cardboard and the water do not fall. This happens because air exerts pressure on the cardboard from below with a force greater than that of the pressure exerted by the water. This shows that air exerts pressure. Now we will see the importance of atmosphere. The atmosphere sustains life on earth. It provides us oxygen for breathing. It also provides carbon dioxide to plants for photosynthesis. The ozone layer of the stratosphere absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun and protects us from harmful effects of the rays such as skin cancer. Third, the atmosphere absorbs a large part of the sunlight and prevents the earth from getting overheated. It also retains heat, which helps to maintain warm at night. So we can say that the atmosphere keeps the earth warm and safe. We will study the layers of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers as shown below. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. First, troposphere. It is the first layer above the Earth's surface. This layer has the optimum amount of air needed by living organisms. Winds and clouds are formed in this layer. Changes in the weather also occur in this layer. Second layer of the atmosphere is stratosphere. Jet planes fly in this layer. This layer also contains the ozone gas. The ozone layer present in the upper part of the stratosphere absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun that can cause skin cancer. Mesosphere is the third layer. It is also known as the coldest layer of the atmosphere. Many meteoroids entering the Earth's atmosphere burn out in this layer and thus does not reach the Earth's surface. Thermosphere is the fourth layer of the atmosphere. Many space shuttles orbit in this layer. The last and the uppermost layer of the atmosphere is the exosphere. It merges with the outer space and it also helps in long distance communication through radio, mobiles, etc. So today we have studied that air is a mixture of many gases such as nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Our atmosphere is divided into 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Its layers protect us from harmful ultraviolet radiations of the sun. Air is a matter. It has weight, occupies space and exerts pressure in all directions. Air is used for various purposes like breathing, combustion, etc. So, we have studied that air is essential for our survival on earth. Thank you.